Don't touch your nose right now. I know you want to. That little bump you keep checking in the mirror, that's not dirt. That's months, maybe years, of buildup just waiting to come out. Stay with me till the end, because what happens today is going to feel so satisfying. I used to avoid bright lighting. Every selfie, every video call, I'd angle my face just right so no one would notice my nose. Blackheads scattered across it like little dots I couldn't erase. I tried scrubbing harder. I tried squeezing them out in the bathroom mirror at 1 a.m. Nothing worked. If that's you right now, take a breath. You're not doing anything wrong. You just never had anyone actually explain why this keeps happening. Here's the simple version. Your pores naturally produce oil. That's normal. That's healthy. But when oil mixes with dead skin cells and gets trapped, it oxidizes. That's the black color you see. It's not dirt sitting on top of your skin. It's inside the pore, which means no amount of scrubbing on the surface is ever going to fix it. You have to soften it, lift it, and clear the pore itself. That's the whole secret. So today I'm walking you through the exact Korean routine I use, the one that finally cleared my pores for good. Slow, gentle, and honestly, kind of therapeutic to watch. Let's begin. Step 1. Oil cleans. We always start with an oil cleanser. This is non-negotiable. Oil dissolves oil. Sunscreen, sebum, pollution from the day. It all lifts away here first. Warm the oil between your palms first. Then massage in slow circles. Feel how it melts everything on contact. No rushing, no harsh pressure, just let it glide. Step 2. Foam cleans now, the foaming cleanser. This clears away what the oil left behind and preps your skin fresh. Look at that lather. So light, so airy. This step should never feel tight or stripped after. If it does, your cleanser's too harsh. Step 3. Stop Chanel. If you have a facial steamer, now's the moment. 2 to 3 minutes of warm steam softens the pore lining, making the next step so much easier and so much more satisfying to watch. Feel your skin relaxing, pores gently opening. This is where the magic starts. Step 4. Exfoliation. This is the real game changer. A BHA salicylic acid because it's oil soluble, meaning it can actually travel into the pore, not just sit on top like AHA does. Apply a thin layer, let it sit, do not scrub. 2 to 3 times a week, never daily, or you'll damage your barrier. This is where most people go wrong. Slow and consistent always wins over harsh and frequent. Step 5. Extraction mask, and now, the moment you've been waiting for. Watch as the softened buildup lifts clean out of the pore. Not forced, not bleeding. Just gently releasing because we prepped it properly. Follow with a clay mask to draw out anything left and tighten the pores back down. Feel it cooling on your skin as it sets, tightening, purifying. Step 6. Toner plus serum, alcohol-free toner first to rebalance your pH. Then a niacinamide serum. This is your pore minimizing, oil regulating best friend. Pat it in gently, layer by layer. Step 7. Moisturizer plus SPF. Never skip moisturizer. Especially after exfoliating, your barrier needs this. Lock everything in with something lightweight and gel-based. And if it's daytime, sunscreen always. Freshly exfoliated skin is extra vulnerable to sun damage. Pro tips plus mistakes to avoid a few things I wish someone told me sooner. Never pop a blackhead with your nails, that causes scarring. Never exfoliate daily, your barrier will thin out and everything gets worse. And never skip moisturizer thinking it'll cause more oil. Dry skin actually produces more oil to compensate. Ray Soaks, look at that. Smooth, refined, pores barely visible. This is what consistency looks like. Not perfection, just patience. I remember the first time my skin looked like this. I didn't need to angle away from the camera anymore. That's the real transformation. Not just the skin, but how you feel looking at yourself. Read every single one. Like this if you want more real, honest routines like this. And subscribe, because we're just getting started.